Hello everyone, welcome back to Nirjaya Education. Please subscribe our channel Nirjaya Education and don't forget to press the bell icon. Today we are going to discuss the chapter Nutrition in Animals. In that one we are going to discuss the structure of teeth and different types of teeth. Already we have discussed the digestion. It starts from the buccal cavity. Buccal cavity, teeth, tongue and salivary glands are there. About salivary glands and tongue already I have discussed in my previous video. Please go through that video for the continuation of this. Here today we are going to discuss about the teeth. How the teeth helpful in the digestion and different types of teeth are also there in our buccal cavity. So you know that the teeth that is crushing, grinding and making it into small particles. The teeth that will crush the food and making it into small particles, and this process is known as mastication. Mastication is the process by which the teeth cut the food into small pieces. And here you know that you may have noticed that in small kids the teeth will fallen and the new teeth will come instead of that one. So these teeth that is fallen out, that teeth are known as milk teeth. When you were a baby also, this happened to you also, the teeth are falling out. So these teeth are known as milk teeth. Total 20 milk teeth are in the kid. When you are growing up, the new teeth are coming, that teeth are known as permanent teeth and it is 32 in number. These permanent teeth are 32 in number. When you are looking at the mirror, you can notice so different types of teeth are there in the buccal cavity. Now we are going to discuss about the different types of teeth and how they are helping in the digestion of the food. There are 4 different types of teeth present in our buccal cavity. What are the 4 types? Incisors, canines, premolars and molars. These are the 4 different types of teeth present in the buccal cavity. In the figure you can see these 4 types. Now we will discuss about these 4 types in detail. What are the functions of these 4 types? The first one is the incisors. In the front part you can see the flat and blade like structure. So that type of teeth are known as incisors. The function of this incisor is that it will help to cut the food. It will help to cut the food. How many numbers of incisors are there in our buccal cavity? There are 4 in each jaw. 4 incisors are there in each jaw and they are also known as cutting teeth because they help us to cut the food nicely. And the second one, near to this incisor you can see the sharp-ended teeth. These are known as canines and this help us to tear the food. Canines help us to tear the food. In each jaw there are 2 canines are there. In each jaw 2 canines are there in our mouth. And in near to this either side of these canines you can see the premolars. Premolars, they are also flat surface, they are also having the flat surface. They help us to grind the food. These premolars help us to grind the food. There are 4 premolars in each jaw. 4 numbers of premolars are there in each jaw. All these can see in this figure how many numbers of premolars, canines and everything is there, and structure also you can see here. And the last one is molars. This function of this molars is also is that it will help to grind the food. Each jaw 6 molars will be there. Each jaw 6 molars are there in. 16 teeth in each jaw and total number of teeth are there is 32. I hope you have understood the different types of teeth. Now we are going to discuss about the structure of tooth. So we have discussed the different types of teeth. Now we are going to discuss the structure of a tooth. The structure of a tooth can be divided into two parts, that is the crown and the root. The root is the hidden part that we can't see. The white upper part that we can see is known as the crown, and it is made up of the hardest material. It is made up of an hardest material, and this material is known as enamel. This figure you can see, that one here you can see in the screen the structure of the teeth. The crown is made up of a white material. It is the hardest material in your body, and this is known as enamel. The neck is the part between the root and the crown, and below the enamel you can see the dentine. The other name of this dentine is that cemendum. Cemendum is the other name of this dentine. It helps to fix the jaw. The center part of a tooth is known as pulp. In this pulp cavity you can see a large number of blood vessels. I will explain once. The part is divided into two, that is the crown and the root. The crown is made up of a hardest material, and this material is known as the enamel. It is the hardest material in your body, and below this enamel you can see a bony material, and this is known as dentine. The other name of this dentine is that cemendum. It helps to fix the each jaw, and the center part of the tooth is known as the pulp. In this pulp cavity you can see a large number of blood vessels, and neck is the part between the crown and the root. Now we will see how you have to care your teeth. Now we will discuss about the oral hygiene. What is oral hygiene? That means you have to take care of your teeth. You have to take care of the teeth. You know that most probably sometimes we will have toothache and everything. How this is happening? Do you know? Actually the healthy gum, it should have pink color, and healthy teeth, it should have white color. But because if you are not taking care of your teeth properly, what will happen? A yellowish layer may be appear on your teeth. This yellowish layer is known as plaque. This yellowish layer is known as plaque. This plaque will convert the starch and sugar into acids. That is, already you know that this digestion starts from the mouth. So the starch and sugar present in the food is converted into acids by the bacteria present in the plaque. Due to that, the holes may be present on the teeth, and this is known as tooth decay. The holes may be present on the teeth, and this is known as the tooth decay. As a result, what happened? Already we have discussed that the blood vessels are there in the pulp, and this may come out. Due to this, your teeth will be sensitive to hot and cold. You know that sometimes when we are drinking cold water or hot water, you will feel some irritation in your mouth when it touches the teeth, and this is known as sensitivity. This is due to the tooth decay. So you have to take care of your teeth. How can you take care of your teeth? Yes, you should brush your teeth twice a day. You should brush your teeth twice a day, and that brushing should be properly, and avoid eating sweets and sugary items. I am not telling that you should avoid it completely, but don't eat more the food that contains this sugary and sweet items. And you can use floss. Floss is a filament like structure, or thread like structure. You can use that to clean the teeth, because in between the teeth, if food particles are stuck, it will be difficult for you to remove, but you can use floss to remove that food particles that is stuck in between the teeth. And you have to wash your mouth properly after eating food. Like that you can take care of your teeth properly. I hope you have understood all this topic that is about teeth. Thank you all and have a nice day.